Call me Queen Bee.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Blanca. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night. And for today's video, I'm so excited because I'm gonna be testing the GLAMGLOW Essential Mask Plus Moisture. As you guys know, I love masks. So my face, I don't have anything in my face. You guys see, I just wash it. And yeah, so I'm only gonna test two. So I'm gonna pick two, and then I'm gonna do another video because, you know, but these ones, they all do different stuff. So one is clear, one is for clear, one is for firm, hydrate, detoxify, brighten, and moisturize. So I'm gonna pick two, and yes, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. And yes, so let's get started. So I think I'm gonna pick hydrate and moisturize. So that's the ones I'm gonna pick. So yeah, so let's get started. All right, so here are the ones that I'm gonna try. And I'm so excited. So of course I'm gonna try this one first and then this one last. All right, so I got the hydrate one. Look at how little and cute. So let's read directions. Apply an even layer to clean skin 2 to 3 times per week, face and neck. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Wipe off excess. All right, so let's do this. They're just so cute. So you guys see their clothes. So I like that they have their clothes. That way you know it hasn't been used. All right, and I have my makeup brush here that I don't use. So this is the one that I've been using for my masks. So it's like this. So I'm just gonna put some in here, just like that. So I think I can use this maybe 3, maybe 5 times. We'll see. Ooh, wow. As soon as, like, and I'm not lying, but as soon as I put it on, like, I feel like it's just hard to explain, but it feels so nice on my skin. And I have sensitive skin, so if I break out really fast right away. If something irritates, it's like it happens right away. But yeah, look at how nice it applies. So soft. So yeah, my face is more like dry, on the dry side. I don't know. So that's why I love doing masks, because it does helps. And by the way, the nighttime cream that I did, that I test, I absolutely love it. It leaves my face really nice and soft. And yes, but back to this, I love it. So yeah, so I don't think I need any more. So let me close this and I just finish it. But so still enough for maybe 2 more times. All right. So I'm just, I know it's around here, around my nose is where it tends to be dry more. But I love it. It feels so nice. I'm excited to see how it feels after. And I'm gonna leave this for 20 minutes. It says for 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna take advantage. In the meantime, I'm gonna do my dishes. By the way, I love doing face mask in the morning. That way, like, I can do stuff while I clean and things like that. So I have to go wash my dishes, and yeah. this is how it looks. It says to put on your neck too. I'm not gonna put much on my neck because I'm not focusing on my neck. And I forgot to say, but this smells so good. And it didn't have the ingredients there, but I'm gonna read the ingredients. So yeah, so it's how it looks. I love the smell. I don't know why, but I think it smells like coconut. So let me read. Let me get the box, because in here it doesn't say. It only says GLAMGLOW Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. Oh, okay. Look at, you guys see coconut, because I was like, it smells like coconut. So it's it has hyaluronic acid, honey, and coconut. Oh, I know honey, it's really good for your skin. I don't know hyaluronic acid. I'm gonna have to Google it. But yes. And then once I finish, I'm gonna leave this for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna put the moisturize. And this one has hyaluronic acid, green tea, and golden root. So I'm gonna Google that. But I'll see you in 20 minutes. Bye bye. All right, so it has been 20 minutes, and this is how my skin looks. As you guys see, no redness, nothing. And I did Google what's hyaluronic acid, and it helps with dry skin, to remove like wrinkles. So this is they have good ingredients. And then the golden root, it's also good for rashes, redness, and things like that. So this is perfect. But as you guys see, I did not break out. This is how it looks. It looks very hydrated. My skin feels so fresh. Like, I love it. It was like, and the smell, I love it. So I'm gonna rinse it, and then I put the moisturize. All right, so I just rinse it off, and you guys won't believe it, but my face feels so soft, and it's really soft. It feels so nice, and I absolutely love this this face mask, this hydrate face mask, because it's the hydrate. But yeah, so I definitely, it was definitely like worth $15, even though like they're like really small. But yes, I love it. It feels so refreshed, so hydrate. It doesn't feel like, even if I don't put anything, it doesn't feel like dry. And that's what I like when I do face masks, that you can see the results right away. But yes, so now we're gonna try the Golden Star Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. All right, so let's see. Oops. All right. I don't know how much to put, and I wash my brush. More, a little more. And this one smells so good too. Oh wow, so good. This is the one that had hyaluronic acid and green tea, and let me put a little bit more. There you go. And the root, what was it? The golden root. So all right. Smells super good. And then we'll see if I like this one. All right. Let me just wipe my Let me just wash my hands. All right, let me just do it with my fingers. They all smell so good. So it was definitely worth $15. And I get all those tiny masks. I think you can use like maybe 2 to 3 times. But yeah, so. So good. Gives like a little glow. All right, this is how it looks. And this one you just leave on. I don't think it has. Apply unevenly to face, wear along or layer with your favorite foundation. And I'm just gonna leave it like this because I mean, I don't wear foundation. I only wear foundation like if I do like a collaboration video or things like that, or like I do my makeup, but usually I don't put anything on my face, just moisturizer. And yeah, so I'm just gonna use it like this. And of course, I'm gonna use my lip balm that I absolutely love. And this one smells so good too. Since I got this, I've been using it every day because I love it. But yes, so overall, I absolutely love this GLAMGLOW essential mask, and I'm gonna continue to use them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a wonderful day or night. Stay safe and healthy, and positive vibes only. Bye. Much love to everyone. And here are the 3 shout outs.